Moonlight Nana. Hello everyone, I'm Moonlight Nana and this is my 21st Medibang Paint Pro tutorial video. Thank you for clicking on this video. I hope it can help you start off your first step in your digital art journey. In the previous tutorial video, we learned to use the curved line ellipse snap, and we got to know one snap function tip, which is the draw curve. In this Medibang Paint Pro tutorial, we will learn how to save snap. Let's start. First, we check out the drop-down menu for the snap item here in the menu bar, and take a look at the save snap item right here. The function of the save snap is to save the current snap which we have set on the canvas. By using the save snap, you can retrieve the snap setting that you used previously, even when you have changed to a new snap setting. Let me demonstrate how to save the snap. I'll pick the vanishing point, and then here it already have the vanishing point, but for example I'll change it to like this. Okay, so this is the vanishing point that I select first. Okay, let me mark it with the black lines. Okay, now I will return to the snap item at the menu bar, and then now I can click on the save snap item. A small window will appear in which you are required to name the snap that you want to save. So I'll name this snap tutorial. Okay, tutorial 1 perhaps, and then I'll click on OK. Now the snap which I have saved just now can be found in the drop-down menu under here, under the save snap item. This is the one, vanishing point tutorial 1. So anytime I want to come back to this snap, I can just click on this saved snap. Alright, let me show you. Okay, for example, this is the snap just now. Now I'll make another new snap. This time it's over here. Okay, this one I will mark with the red lines. Now I've already made a new vanishing point snap like this over here, and then I decided to return to use the previous snap for vanishing point. So if I want it back, I can just always click on this saved snap, which is the vanishing point tutorial 1 just now, and you will see that it automatically returns to where I initially set it. Okay, like so. You can also save other snaps, so let's go through it quickly again. Now this time I will be using the which one? I will be using this snap. Okay, so I'll randomly make a line here, a curved line. I'll put this as the blue one. Okay, so I want to save this snap. As usual, like I showed just now, go to the snap item at the menu bar, click it, and then click on the save snap. Then you can name this snap. So I would make it another. Okay, and then I'll click on OK. So now if I change this same snap to become a different one, say like this, and then now I want the snap for the curved line just now to return, I'll just click on this one. This is the one, right? Curved line, curved snap, which is another. Then I'll click on it, and then it will reappear on the canvas, and I can use it again and again and again. Okay, take note, all the snaps that you have saved down here cannot be deleted or erased in the same project which you set the snap in. Okay, this makes it very easy for the artist to reuse the snap over and over again, even though they change the snap settings. The save snap function is really convenient, especially when drawing backgrounds that uses the perspective technique. So then you might think, if all the saved snaps here cannot be deleted or erased, then won't the drop-down menu be filled with all these saved snaps? Then how do I delete or get rid of snaps that I no longer want? Now the answer is, you cannot delete, erase, or get rid of the snaps which you have saved. The saved snaps will remain in the drop-down menu for as long as you use the same project, which means if you use or open a new project, the snap you saved will not be appeared in the new project. It will only appear in the project which you have saved the snap, which is, for example, like this one. Let me show you. Now I'll open a new project first, like so. Okay, let's close this one. Okay, this new project has nothing to do with the previous project, which is this one, the tutorial video project. This old project is where I saved all the snaps just now. So we have the curved another and the vanishing point tutorial 1 snap, which I saved just now. And you can see this in the drop down menu of this snap item in the menu bar. Now let's return to the new project. We'll return to this new project and then we'll do the same thing. We'll click on the snap item, but now this time you will see that there is no saved snap. There is no curved another and there is no vanishing point tutorial 1. Alright, so from this you now know that any snaps which you save will only show up within the project in which you saved it, which is this one here. And in conclusion, if you want to delete or clear your saved snaps, you simply just open or start a new project. If not, then you're gonna have to just roll with the saved snaps until you finish with your projects. Okay, so this completes the tutorial topic of snap tools of Medibang Paint Pro. I hope by now you understand the functions and how to use each snap tool and its items. If you still have questions about the topic of snap tools, please feel free to ask in the comments of the related snap tool. Make good use of the snap tool because it really helps in ensuring that you draw lines that are clean, neat, and perfect. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial video of Medibang Paint Pro. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel or follow me on Facebook. Together we help each other in our art journey. Have a blessed day ahead, everyone.